Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy, the real Chris here, back with another video, part 3. All you guys are eating up part 1 and 2 like crazy, and so that's why part 3 we went extra special with this insane asylum. We drove 2+ hours to get here, and we've already got spooked out a few times just walking up to find a good spot for our intros. Well, this is it, and back with the same crew. James, you want to come here?
Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy TGSK and our Phase Barnes and our James. Pretty much, we are at an abandoned insane asylum. We drove about 2 hours out just to get to this place, and yes, what Christian said, very spooky already. We just walked up here, about 10-minute walk. It's very, very spooky. Austin, you want to show your face over here?
Yeah.
All right,
come out here.
We got the big man. Everyone loves the big man, dude.
All my comments are about this guy, and he loves it. It makes his day every single time he sees him.
Every time I see it, it just puts me
So if you would,
in.
go down in the comments, comment about him, say something funny, something you love about him. He eats it. He loves it. And I love to see it too. You guys are supporting, watching my videos. It makes my day all better too.
Alright guys, if you guys do enjoy the video, drop a like, turn post notifications on, subscribe to Austin, subscribe to Christian, subscribe to me, subscribe to the main man Riley, the cameraman to this channel. That
Riley does all the behind the scenes, everything that we do not get on camera, the fun times we have coming here. When we're not filming it all, he gets all the behind the scenes.
Alright guys, turn post notifications on,
yeah.
Drop a like if you guys hear anything.
Subscribe if you love the content and are waiting for part 4. We are considering doing overnight challenges whenever you guys want it. It sounds fun. We will film throughout the night and enjoy every time we do it.
This is by far the scariest thing we've ever done.
Yeah.
Alright, see you guys
50
later.
sub, 50 sub special. Hey guys, for the start of the video, we're going through the farm part. There's a lot of graffiti here.
Alright guys, I think we should split up. 2-2?
Like,
I'll call James. If you guys see anything out of the ordinary and we're here, there's also upstairs. This is the insane asylum.
goes way down there, guys. There's a lot of dead type themed graffiti. It's weird. People know the history and they're kind of abusing it. Just a really bad place in general. It's just the old farm place. I mean, how many animals did they slaughter here?
A lot. About 1,000.
Oof.
Maybe even more.
Yeah.
Maybe even
They canned them.
Yeah.
If you already heard,
Yo, you good?
farm part, what goes
A lot of litter.
all the way down. It's, well, there's only got 700 acres.
Oh boy.
So
Almost
got
tripped.
cattle, got some rows.
Got some doodle bob over there on the wall.
Yeah, look at that.
Obviously, people are graffitiing. It's alright, I guess.
Yeah, this place is a big and safe asylum. I'm kind of scared.
This is all the way down. There's another building out there. We're gonna stay in this one for a little bit longer.
We're doing some content for you guys. You guys are literally enjoying all the videos that we post. And
I want to get this building or room over here real quick as I walk back. See, there's a room that echoes a little bit. A lot of graffiti, a lot of stuff. There's an upper floor, but it's like falling apart. Like, you can't even get up there now. A lot of litter, a lot of stuff, broken boards. It's falling apart. It's pretty sketchy. It's really dark. Here's the outside. It's really tall. Dropped my phone almost. It's hard to get a good grip. What was that? I heard it over there. I don't. We all heard a noise, but we all heard it from different directions. Here's some of the old stable areas. That's the building we were just in. Hey guys, so this is the second building. More graffiti. It's just really, really wide. All the windows are broke. Every single one. It's really weird. Austin's all the way up there. He started exploring this before I did. I know there's a weird ass like silo over here, and you can climb it. If I'm brave enough, I'll climb to the top and film around, show you guys an aerial view, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I'm scared of heights. Little fun fact. I don't know what this used to be. It's like a big curved cement chunk. So this is the silo I was talking about. It goes way up there. See that window? You can go up there. There's like a little ladder on the side right next to Austin. You guys see it's right here. You gonna climb that, Austin?
No.
Sure?
It fucking broke.
Yeah.
I mean, it's true. I'm sure it would.
See, I'm gonna look in.
It's some ancient stuff here. I mean, 1903. I mean, that was.
You guys see this? So I'm back. That's the silo. Austin, would you point your light on that? See if we can get a bigger silo picture. Can't see it, but it goes all the way up there. It's kind of the top. There's the bottom. And this is the video we're going to be going, or this is the building we're going to be going into. It looks very spooky.
Hey guys, I'm back here.
Riley and James are over there checking that building out. I'll be going in there after this one. But this is still part of the farm. We still haven't made it to the actual insane asylum yet. We're probably won't be able to go in it. But here's more of the looks like pop, more litter. Starting to get more spooky, I guess. We haven't really heard anything that would make us scream or, you know. It is pretty late at night. It's about like, what, 10:30 now? The rafters of this place is pretty weird. You guys can't see it, but it's really old. Definitely you don't see buildings like this anymore. No, we haven't.
Dude, go in that building.
Really?
That building. That's the sketchiest part.
Are you serious?
That's the sketchiest part.
We can go up on that tower. You guys can check that out, and we can meet up again.
Alright, we're gonna go over there. There's nothing in this building, guys, that would really...
I guess this is more the.
What?
I don't like this, dog. I don't like this. I don't like this.
What'd you see?
I don't like this.
What'd you see?
I just saw something run.
Nuh-uh.
Yes.
No.
I don't have my phone recording.
I do. Sorry.
What did you see, James?
It looked like a human. I'm not lying. I swear if those people fucking with us, I'm gonna fucking kill him. I am.
Oof.
No, dude, it ran this way. This way? Yeah.
Hit me if I die.
Alright, so we just heard a weird sound and something run by us. We don't know what it was. We're looking for it. It was very weird. You see anything?
There was something just looking at me. That far building.
There's a building way off in the distance.
Yeah. And right when Christian fucking shined his light, it fucking went back, dude.
In this building?
No, the far one, dude. Over there. Oh, that far one. Yeah, where that piece of wood is. Like, what's laying up against the building? Yeah, it was fucking right between the building and shit, dude. Here, let's go in here. Oh, this.
Yo. This is sketchy. We hear stuff.
This is by far the most sketchiest.
Oh! What the fuck?
What?
Did you see something? See that middle window right there? Yeah. Right where I'm pointing at. I saw a black shadow.
Oh.
I'm not messing around.
Many deaths here in the last
Very, very main death. It was like over 1,000, James, was it?
Yeah, like over 1,000.
Hell right there.
You gonna climb that? There's like metal and stuff all over the place.
Yeah, no.
Ooh, hey, cigarette butt.
That's rough. Alright, guys. So nothing in here. Little symbol up there. Hey guys, we're gonna head out to the next building. Okay, you wanna tell me? No, we'll do that at the end. I wanna get these buildings. I heard it.
You heard what?
Shh. I have footsteps in the grass.
Dude, I'm not hearing you.
Dude, shh. I'm literally hearing shit.
Footsteps in the fucking grass. Oof. It sounded like on both sides of us, dude.
Alright, let's just get this over with. I'm kind of like scared. I'm not lying. My anxiety's going hella high right now, guys.
Did I feel like I have a heart attack? Oh my god, that scared the shit out of me.
Is it a gravestone?
Yo,
I don't know.
what is this?
I put my other glove on. Because I got choking.
Yo, what is this stone?
That is.
So what'd you guys... Oh, that is a gravestone.
It's not.
Is it?
It's like...
It looks like it.
Like a thing that holds up buildings, maybe.
Oh, just one of those
Maybe
buildings.
they took down a building.
Whoa.
Whoa.
That collapsed, guys. I want to take closer to this. Yo. You see this, guys? This is the building. We were in that far one way over there, and you guys can't see it. This is the next one over. It looks like it either collapsed or it just broke or something.
Yes.
Someone want to help me? I don't trust it.
Awesome, dude.
Oh, I just got a bug in my eye.
What is that?
What was that?
Dude! Okay. No, I heard something.
It's high above us. Whatever the fuck it is. That's why I want to go up there. Want to go in that one in front of us, dude? I think we should keep everything ground level.
Yeah, we're not gonna go on any second floor. This shit might collapse.
Yeah. Oh, that's a barn.
It's a barn?
Yeah, it's an old barn.
Up ahead?
Yeah.
You want to go into that? That's where you seen the thing, didn't you?
Yeah, I saw it fucking leaning right between that shit, dude.
We want to turn the lights on right now.
Hey guys, we're going to this really, really old barn.
Dude, you can buy a bunch of these Dollar Tree lights. Dude, these are literally...
It's better than this $13 flashlight I got.
Oh, turn the lights in the trees.
Yo, those trees. You guys can't see them. They're super tall.
What the fuck? Did you hear
Yeah,
that?
I heard that!
Oh.
I heard that! I heard
right
that!
by us.
It was right... Stop! Dude, fuck off!
It was like...
Yeah,
it was right between us, dude.
Yeah, that's why I looked at you. I didn't
What?
hear that.
It was right fucking between me and James, dude.
What the fuck?
It was
Did you guys hear that?
fucking James.
You guys hear that? Oh, we are spooked.
Oh my fucking
I heard a growl. I didn't hear shit. I heard a growl. No, I didn't hear that. I heard that. Guys, if you heard anything in that video, we just got spooked out.
It was alright. Let's fucking get this one over with and go wherever the fuck is going.
It was right. Okay, explain how it was again.
Alright, here, let me get my video out. Let me get my video.
It was like.
We're going back. We're attempting.
We were just right here, all of us in a group right here, just checking out this place. I did not get it on camera. I'm sorry, I wasn't recording. I'm trying to save my battery life as much as I can. Me and Riley were standing right here, and we both heard fucking like that.
Yeah.
I
heard a growl. I don't know what you guys heard.
I swear to God, I heard something. Something said like, "Hey," very, very faintly.
I heard a low growl.
It was like that. It was. Oh my God, dude.
Okay.
Content. It's for content. Content, guys. Content, boys.
Keep that on your mind.
If we all sit together in a big pack, it'll be fine.
Yeah, try to be as quiet as you can. Just minimize the talking. Just say, all right, if
Going
you guys
quiet.
hear anything and or see anything, just let us know. Just say that.
Oh, this place is spooky. It's so old. The wood is like rotting. Looks like some parts are falling out. Old stuff on the ground. It's all busted. Yeah, at least in this video we didn't run from a dog. I'm pretty sure if you guys listened to my beginning, I'm pretty sure you heard James scream.
Did you hear that? Yes.
I didn't hear it.
Alright, just let me go first, because I'm hearing the most shit out of you guys. Alright, you gotta keep your phone in there. Come on, last one. What is this? What is that? A tent? Oregon University? Yeah.
Okay, I think we're not sure how much more buildings are out here.
Oh, giant hole.
I thought you were being mauled by a ghost.
Yo, there's a box.
What?
Oh, it's a wooden box.
What?
What's that?
Okay. Okay. What the?
What kind of cans are these? I mean, it looks like trash, but why is it here? Looks like one of those.
You heard that too? I heard that.
Stop moving, Christian. What the fuck, dude? It sounds like fucking wings, like big ass fucking wings, dude.
Dude, there was stuff going off in that bushes.
Oh, dude, it sounded like fucking wings.
Yeah, it sounded like
Did you guys hear
that
it?
one movie? Jeepers Creepers.
Jeepers Creepers, dude. That's
Jeepers
what
Creepers.
Oh my god. Oh my fucking god.
Oh, my hands are sweating, guys. Yo, I'm seeing some movement up there.
Oh, what?
I'm straight ahead in that light stuff over there. I see movement.
Dude, wait. Hear it again. Stop, dude. No.
Yo. Yo, I see a body figure over there.
Where?
No. Okay, we're running. We got done running. I'm out of breath, I'm sorry. We've been hearing stuff. There's a constant weird ass noise coming from behind us. And it's like spooking us out. We heard it in bushes. We ran. And we heard it behind us again.
Isn't there more parts to this place?
Yeah, you take the other trail probably.
Yeah.
Content.
We might come back here, guys. We're not gonna get the whole place in one video.
There's a. Yo, that probably goes to the graveyard.
Yo, there's a grave here.
Okay, we're not done yet. Me and James are going up this tower, and then we're gonna fucking.
It's a big tower from earlier. They're climbing. I'm not.
And then maybe the fucking other shit. Okay, the real Chris are awesome. Peace. Okay, wanna go? Hold us?
All right, guys. This is Asylum. They're going up, all of them, or only yeah, 2. James and Riley are going up.
I'm gonna keep my eyes peeled too.
Check their channel. They'll probably have an aerial view or something to make. Guys, all right, guys. We found tracks. Look at that shit. There. Oh God, there is 2 sets.
Right here. There's like faint.
This is probably gonna be the video wrap up, guys. We have been hella spooked this video. We think we've been stalked by something, and now we just found tracks heading in the direction we have just been through this whole area, and we just found 2 sets, and we don't know. We don't know what's going on. We think something's following us.
Yo, okay, what if it is like the thing that's stopping us? The tracks are this way, and they were fresh.
Yeah.
So it was running that way. Or it got scared of us.
No, they're pointing this way. It was walking towards us.
True. Some facing both ways, right? You said? Yeah.
What if it's 2? What if it's 2?
Yeah, look, because it's right here too.
But those are kind of faint though. You can't really.
Yeah, so it came from there.
But I mean, it had to be running because they were dug in.
Yeah, don't.
These are not that deep,
These are like,
and it hasn't been raining.
and what kind of fucking footprint does a circle? What the? Something just buzzed in my ear.
Oh, I'm hella spooked.
Yeah, dude, that's fresh.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this.
So
You can't even.
booked it in here.
This is the first building we explored. Here's the silo, dude. We don't even know.
Get out of here.
Alright, maybe what you
Go
saw.
this way.
Alright, remember, group.
We're staying in a group now. We're not splitting up.
Yeah, don't split up now. Don't.
If something does come out and try to make a move towards us or something, we.
Sorry, but this was just way too much for me.
It's alright, Austin.
It's good content though. I like it.
Yeah.
If it just wasn't like that's for the fans. If they want to see more, we'll give them more. I know it sounds stupid.
Yo, are you going through here?
No, I caught something.
Nuh-uh.
What?
Where is it?
I thought you said you were gonna leave.
Hey!
Caught something.
Why are you running towards it?
It wasn't an animal.
What was it?
I don't know.
What the hell would
An
him?
animal.
Just go back in the building because we have more fucking
Run. Alright.
Okay, everybody just watch. I'll walk.
I don't know what's going
I'll
on.
walk behind us.
I'll walk up in front of us.
Okay, you film ahead. Me and James will watch back here.
We don't know what's going on.
Dude, I'm about to have a heart attack.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
We've been hearing stuff for the past half an hour.
Okay, everybody stop. Stop. Dead silent right now. Shh.
We're scouting the area, trying to find something.
You guys hear that?
Yeah,
I heard that too.
it's like scruffling on concrete.
Are we on concrete?
No, it was when me and Austin weren't moving.
Is that from my bag?
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Hold on.
Yeah, both of them.
Yeah.
Everything is intact.
Guys,
Yeah.
let's go through this building. Come on, we have to.
Yeah, let's stay in the buildings. Let's take the safest thing right now.
Let's check this area out. We need to check this out. Yeah,
I got a little bit of a mine.
because me and you just went in this building.
In this script, I'm gonna say I'm kind of thinking about it a lot. No.
Yo, what's that white thing?
Like, to talk about it.
Yo, let's get
Yo,
that on video.
yeah, if it says information about the video, we
Oh,
should.
yeah.
We have to jump.
Point your flashlights towards it.
We're all here. This is stuff that
Dairy barn.
all about the parts that we just been through. Here, let me get a better view of this, guys. Read the top. Going down the side if you want to read it.
It's like signs type fucking shit, dude. Everyone turn their lights on this building, please. Here, let me see one of those.
Why are we doing this?
Oh.
So guys, we're still at the abandoned asylum. We're on a different trail actually. We're thinking about wrapping up, but there's some other stuff here, and we don't have this. Like, we're not all gonna be able to put this in one video.
Yo.
So
Ready, check this out.
maybe
Look how
this
far
could
that goes.
be part 4 if you guys want to see more.
That's an actual trail.
Oh my god.
But there's blackberries and shit, like.
Do you see that?
no, it goes
Yeah,
up and
yeah.
around.
Yeah, it goes up and around. We can go over. But this will possibly be part 4 if you guys want to see more of this place. I mean, we're still here.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
We're still being stalked by animals, we swear, but...
Phone fucking vibrated right when I heard that shit.
Maddie?
No. But yeah, possibly part 4. This is the wrap up. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button. Subscribe to all my boys' channel. We're all doing great. You guys are loving the content. But yeah, be sure there'll be a vote at the end or a toll. If you want to see this place again, vote yes. Peace out.